Banks are for-profit organizations, and their job is to earn money so that it can go back to the shareholders. They are governed by a paid board of directors who determine what direction the bank's going to go. Credit unions are totally different. We're a not-for-profit organization, a cooperative organization. We are governed by a non-paid volunteer board of directors, and the decisions that they make are for the good of the organization and the good of the other members who belong. There's no one that the profits are floating down to a certain group. It goes out to the entire organization. So someone who comes in and joins a credit union, they are now a member, and they have a voice to be heard of how the organization is going to be ran, the products, the services, the policies. They get a voice in that by voting for the board of directors. They also have a voice on a day-to-day basis. If something's wrong, they have a concern, sometimes a complaint, they can go ahead and voice that, and that information always does get filtered directly to me. The base structure, the volunteerism, you are a member, you have a voice, you get to help direct. Those are the base differences between your bank and your credit union. And regional members can go nationwide to other credit union branches and walk in the door and have a transaction processed just as if they were standing in our Valparaiso lobby. That's where our members are. Again, it's a membership cooperative, and everybody wants their community to be better and to grow better. Regional has some core values of trust, of service, of compassion, community education. And a lot of organizations have those type of core values. But Regional actually believes in living those core values. They're just not words. So for us to be able to go in and have our staff members, our team members, volunteer at a Habitat for Humanity project, or Hammond Reads, a reading literacy organization, the Kiwanis clubs, that takes those vision, those words, and actually puts life into them, and that's what our organization is all about. Service is so important to our organization, and I personally can't believe that you can ask your team to go out and provide great service if you're not doing it yourself. So I believe it starts actually with our board of directors, and obviously they do that because they're volunteering their time. They're not getting paid to help run this organization, and then it filters down to me all the way down. So if there is a member who has a question, if there's a solution that can't be found, it does come to me, and I do have the ability to help answer that question. You know, I provide the service, I get it done. The team knows it, the team knows that they can count on me. Hopefully the members know that they can count on me, and it just filters down. The managers that we have, they're in the offices, they're in the community to make a difference. And we want the organization, we want the membership, we want the community to know that. Credit unions don't offer always identical services to the banks, but one of the items that banks have been doing for a while, and a service that Regional is adding, is our business lending package. And that's being launched in the next couple months. And our goal is to help traditional small businesses come and speak to Regional. We didn't have that product before, so we're really excited about getting that started. Regional's business lending is going to be a lot different than a lot of the local banks because we are looking to service those small businesses. We're talking about loaning someone $30,000, $40,000 for a car. We're not looking for the $35 million office buildings. We want people who are in the area right now who need help getting their business started. Those are the people that Regional is going to be able to help.